Creating a beautiful snowflakes with yarn is quick and easy in just 5 minutes. I will show you how to do it and share some tips to make your snowflakes special. Let's get started. Start with 2mm hook. First, make a chain of 5. Using the first chain to make a circle. Next, chain 3 and then chain 5 again. Now do 2 double crochet in the center of the ring. Now chain 5 and add another 2 double crochet in the center. Another third 5 chain and make 2 double crochet again. You will need to do this 6 times. When you reach the last gap, do another double crochet in the middle and now find the top of 3 chain you started with and make a slip stitch to join them together. Next, create 4 single crochet in the middle of this 5 chain gap. Then make a picot by chaining 3 and then slip stitch back into the 3rd chain. One more picot after that work for single crochet on the other side as well. And then make a slip stitch between 2 double crochets. Now move to the next 5 chain gap and do it same as well. 4 single crochets and 3 picots and 4 single crochets. Go all the way around and finish it. Okay, now I am in the last one and now I come to the middle of these 2 double crochet space I need slip stitch and cut down my thread. When you finish it, it's look like this. Do you want to do flat like this? It's a secret I am going to reveal now. Did starch and blocking. When you do that, it's very flat and beautiful. If you want to, you can keep it like this. So see you again with another beautiful crochet pattern. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts and ideas. See you. Bye bye.